Hello YouTube, this is Walleye. Got another cool gun here for you. This is a Springfield Model 1868 Trapdoor Rifle. As you can see there on the lock, it's an 1863 dated. It's a little shorter than the 1866 and like a normal Civil War era musket. It's only 2 bands. And you know it's an 1868 because of the date here. I believe right there you can see 1869. The 1868, the actual 1868 dated ones are very, very rare. So the 1869 and 1870s are more common. Now let's flip her around here. You can see an original cartouche there. And you can see this one's got a pretty low serial number. 216 with the matching the barrel. You can also see there's some sight paint on it, just removable stuff. Just to let you see it a little better shooting at the range, because they are a little worn. Yep, this is a very cool rifle. It is 5070 government. And this is kind of the predecessor to the 1873 Trapdoor and 1884 that you see everywhere. And there's the cartridge. And as you can see, they still had the ramrod in them, or cleaning rod, even though you didn't really need it for the ramming purposes anymore. Just wanted to work the action real quick. And that would eject the shell. You just throw another one in there, lock it down, and ready to rock.